If a person you know is suffering from addictions, don't give up. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. All it needs is your patience, your faith, your trust. Here are a few steps I want you to follow, because visualization is a higher mental faculty we are blessed with. With God's grace, you are healed. Success always comes to people who never give up. So, every single day, do this for someone you really care about. And what you vibrate with, your faith, your cleaning can bring about changes. God is the doer. We are not the doer. So imagine the golden light now being sent into the heart chakra, right in the center of the chest of that person. This person is around us. This person perhaps is a part of our family. There's a different kind of pain that you experience when you see a loved one disappear into addiction. It's a mix of anger, helplessness, heartbreak. You've perhaps tried everything. You've tried speaking with love. You've tried enforcing with firmness. You've tried the tough love, but nothing seems to have worked. The negative cycle seems to repeat over and over again. This can make you feel very helpless, lost at the same time, weak that you can't help them. If this is what you're feeling, this video is for you. I want you to know, while you cannot force a person to do something, you can certainly take charge and responsibility for the energy around that person. You can change the atmosphere around that person. And when that person sees you coming from more positivity and healing, even without their knowing, they are being influenced by you. All it needs is your patience, your faith, your trust that they will be healed. Because what you believe in your mind, your body will stay in its vibration. And what you vibrate with will certainly impact your loved ones. Why? I want you to think about this point. Very often, we believe that the other person needs to change. For example, if they're suffering from an addiction, they need to correct their behavior. They need to be more committed. They need to be open to seeking help. However, it's not just them. What is important for you to understand is every time you see them in pain, every time you see them suffering, you are also reinforcing that negativity within you because you're feeling bad about it. So when you yourself are complaining, when you're expressing your helplessness, when you're feeling bad, you are also tying yourself up energetically to that negative pattern that is existing within them. The most important thing we need to understand, this person is around us. This person perhaps is a part of our family, our home, because somewhere we share memories with this person. According to spirituality and energy science, akha cords exist between us and the other person. Especially people we are around, especially people in our home. Maximum cleaning we have to do with them. That means they will be around us, reflecting to us through their problems, our own energy. What they are going through is a reflection of what is going on within us too, not just them. So the more we clean up, the more we come from faith and peace, the more they will come from enthusiasm, motivation, even willingness to change themselves. Here are a few steps I want you to follow. First of all, please make peace your priority. It is not easy when you have to manage the person, handle the situation, take care of your home. Yet, if you keep reminding yourself, your power lies in your peace, then you see you will automatically come from faith. Because peace brings you faith. A stable mind brings you trust. And so from today, every morning when you wake up, make it a habit to sit in a restful state. Sit straight, spine erect, rest of your body is relaxed. You're breathing in and out consciously. Breathe in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Each time you exhale through your mouth, you are going into a deeper state of relaxation. Now, in this deeper state of relaxation, when you're feeling a sense of calmness, think of your loved one who you want to help, who's into this addiction right now. As you think of them, say, "My peace helps you heal. My peace helps you heal. My peace helps you heal." That means you're doing two things. One is you're reminding yourself you're always peaceful. Second message you're sending to subconscious mind that you're sending healing energy to this person. Subconscious will follow both commands and start to give you a more sense of power from within to actually see this person from less helplessness, from more trust and faith in the divine power that exists between both of you. As you do this for a few times, repeat, "My peace helps you heal." Automatically, you will start feeling even better because you've been breathing and affirming. Now, step 2 is visualize this person in your mind's eye. Hold them in your mind, but do not see them upset or stressed as we normally think of them. Consciously see them well. Visualize them telling you they are feeling so much better, that they are so relieved that they are out of this. Imagine yourself also telling them you're so happy to see them feel so light, happy, joyful. Tell them that it's God's blessings that things have shifted so positively. You don't have to keep mentioning the addiction in the visualization. Just speak as if the two of you are sharing the beautiful changes you've observed in your lives. How your lives are so beautifully tied to love, positivity, joy and healing. Trust me, we may think, what can a visualization do? But a visualization coming from a peaceful mind is a visualization coming from a powerful mind. And such a powerful mind, when visualization is done, can create miracles. Because visualization is a higher mental faculty we are blessed with. Think about it. Why has God given us the power to imagine or visualize? He's given us this power so that we can make it to good use. We can bring about healing and transformation in our lives. Now, imagine you're holding a pen and this loved one is holding a pen, the same pen. The more you try to pull this pen from the person, the more the person may think, "Hey, this is mine, I want it." Now, there is a little game going on between the two of you. But the moment you withdraw, after some time you will notice the person is not holding on tightly to the pen anymore. They will also drop the pen. Why? Because now there is no fight, there is no game, there is no match. Memories are exactly like that. When we share memories, aka chords, karmic debts with people, these patterns that exist between us and the other person, they exist only as long as we are reacting. We are forcing. We are desperately trying things. We are angry and upset. But the moment we withdraw this negativity, the moment we choose to clean rather than engage in the negativity begins to dissolve. And you will begin to see positive changes in you first, in your tension coming down, in your anxiety under check. And then it's a matter of time. You will see changes in the other person too. So, after the step of visualizing, the next thing that you need to do is imagine a golden light above your own head. This is a beautiful ball of golden light. It is God's divine light and healing. This light carries the power to transform, change, dissolve anything. Turn any negative to positive. This light is now above your head. Slowly from your crown, Sahasrara Chakra, it comes down, covering your face, your shoulders, your neck, your throat, your chest, your back, arms, legs, right up to your toes. As it covers every part of your body, just affirm as you visualize this golden light. I am healed. I am healed, I am healed. You say to yourself as the golden light flows through you. Now, take this light to your loved one who you want to help with the addiction. Just visualize them, slowly accepting this light. But when you're sending them the light, it is first coming into their heart chakra, because this is how they will receive. So, imagine the golden light now being sent into the heart chakra, right in the center of the chest of that person. From here, the beautiful ball of golden light, the light of healing, slowly spreads to every part of their body. from their head, shoulders, back, towards their stomach, their abdomen, right up to their toes. Every part of their body is now surrounded by this beautiful divine light, which is healing, filled with love, joy, success, and happiness. As this person is filled with beautiful divine golden light, now you affirm, with God's grace, you are healed, you are healed, you are healed. With God's grace, because this is the golden light of God, this is the healing power of God. With God's grace, you are healed, you are healed, you are healed. Remember, addiction often is a behavioral pattern that comes from a feeling of isolation. It comes from a feeling of being unworthy, not being loved, not being supported. When the self-love of a person is low, they will often do something to punish themselves because they think they are responsible for not being loved. The more you send them loving energy, healing energy, the more they accept it at the subconscious level. Slowly, what will happen? The person starts to feel less unloved, more accepted, especially their connection with the divine will go up. This is the power. When people work on addictions of loved ones, they should remember God is the doer. We are not the doer. We are only instruments. Our job is to take it up with God. His light will heal. His power will heal. We are only instruments. We should always pray though that we continue to be worthy instruments, that we are able to do our bit in our loved ones' healing journeys. So, after this golden light visualized in this person, after affirming with God's grace, you are healed, you're saying to them, you're healed with God's grace. Now, you take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. This is a process that you need to follow every day. It's simple. It will not take you too long in the morning, but do it in the morning before you start with the rest of the day. Because once you are out of your bed, as you interact with others in the house, you will pick up their energy also. So you should be strong enough before you pick up their energy. Now rest of the day, supposing you are very angry or upset, or you see them suffering and you are not feeling good about it. There's a sense of heaviness within you. Remember, you need to heal your own subconscious mind. Why? Because the other person is always a reflection of what your subconscious needs from you. Ultimately, this person is in my life to teach me how to love myself more despite the problems, despite the obstacles, despite the failures, despite the helplessness. I want you to do exactly this. Place both your palms on your chest. Slowly and gently rub your chest as you repeat the beautiful cleaning phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The words I am sorry, please forgive me are being directed to your subconscious mind, your inner child. Whatever you are suffering today is going on within the child in the form of a memory. And through these memories, the child is suffering, feeling no one is there for the child. It starts to blame us, the mother, the conscious mind. Because you see, it is only through us, through our eyes, our ears, through things we experienced and touched, that everything has gone down to the subconscious. So as a mother, I tell my child, I'm sorry. I should have done better. Please forgive me. I have brought things upon you knowingly, unknowingly. Thank you for being there for me. I love you wholeheartedly. That's the message I'm giving. To whom? Who am I talking to? I am talking to my subconscious mind. Because where does the memory live? Where is it running? Inside my subconscious mind. I guess I'm sharing the memories with the other person. But I am only responsible for doing my part of cleaning. My subconscious mind cleaning. So as you repeat these words, you will feel peaceful. You will feel a greater, deeper connection with your own mind. And when you feel a deeper connection with yourself, you feel like doing things. You'll feel like waking up. You'll feel like taking action. You'll feel like talking to people. You will come from more enthusiasm and love. Remember, enthusiasm in life is a sign of the inner child connecting with you. So you have a responsibility. While you're sending healing energy to the other person, you must keep connecting and reconnecting with your own subconscious mind. Because if your subconscious mind is healed, it will never make you see another person who's unhealed. This is the power of inner child work. Finally, I would like to say, while we do our bit to change our loved ones, help them positively, We are not fixing them, we are fixing ourselves. That is the reminder we need to give ourselves. While you take all the efforts and do your best, leave everything to God. Before you sleep at night, always repeat this one line: Dear God, I did my best for him or her. Now, he's your responsibility or she is your responsibility. Please take care. This is important. Surrender is very important. Because with surrender, you will never get attached, you will never get resentful or disheartened. You will always keep on keeping on. And history shows us success always comes to people who never give up. So, my suggestion and request to you is, if you're dealing with the suffering of a loved one, if a person you know is suffering from addictions, don't give up. It's a matter of time. Your faith, your cleaning can bring about changes. Remember, healing is not always about a conversation. Sometimes it's just about inner silent work that you do within yourself. Trust the process and you will certainly see the results. Share this video with someone who's struggling with this problem. And finally, I would like to say, try this out for yourself for the next 30 days. Every single day, do this for someone you really care about. And you will be surprised to see the amazing transformation within you and around you. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.